Okay. Well, everybody online decided Cooper was the name to go.
Did you guys take a vote on Facebook?
Yes, we did. Facebook voted him Cooper.
Did Toby come in a close second?
No, I don't think so. Well, I think it was second, but it wasn't very close.
Okay. Okay, and then we just have this for you. If you can just open this first.
It says the harshes.
What is
Happy
it?
birthday, Dad, Toby Cooper.
Oh, look at that. He's gonna swap me kisses.
Oh, she got the microchip.
You can just go in and visit. You can just go online.
That's very nice.
That's a going line or?
You're welcome. I figured I'd lighten the load a little bit.
Yeah, every bit helps him.
The one that says adoption line starts here. Is that the line we go into?
What does it
That's where you
say?
went back there in the back. See the
200 and it says full adoption fee plus license.
That's not from me.
who's that from?
That would be from your Buckley King.
Yeah, that's from.
Are you serious?
Oh my god.
Well, I was trying to dissuade you from
Calling and
the
make-
adoption fee over the
It's
phone.
because my phone didn't work. They paid for the adoption fee as
Wow.
well? Oh my gosh.
$275. That's pretty
It
cool.
says 215, sweetheart.
That looks like a 7 to me.
Thank you, Buckley King, for
Thank
the
you.
adoption of our Cooper.
All right. Thank you.
Thank